Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to paraphrase to avoid plagiarism. Okay, so let's just say you're looking for a summary of a story. Okay, so you have to go to Google web browser first and type, this is just for an example, summary of the story, The Old Man and the Sea. So you have to tap this one and then you just have to choose a site or any of the links here. You can see samples of summary of this Old Man and the Sea story. You just have to click any of the sites here. Let's just say this one. Okay, so if you want to copy a summary of this story here, you just have to drag it and then right click, click copy. Now, in order for you to know, or we have this plagiarism checker, you can see here if the words are 100% plagiarized or not. You can click the first or the second, but I'll just click the second one here. So you have to right click and paste the sample summary here, and then click this one, check plagiarism. Okay, so you just have to wait for a couple of seconds or minutes, it depends, and you can see the result in the side. Okay, you can see if it's 100% plagiarized or 100% unique or 70% or 50%. So now you have the knowledge already or the information that it's 100% plagiarized. So now I am going to introduce to you QuillBot. All you have to do is to go to the site and then right click and paste the sample summary here and then click paraphrase. And you can see here that it's already rephrased. So all you have to do is to copy, right click, click copy, go to plagiarism checker, paste, and then click check plagiarism. Wait for a couple of minutes or seconds, and you will be shocked with the result. So it appears here that I think it's 100, yeah, it's 100% unique and zero plagiarism. So that's it. That's how you avoid plagiarism using QuillBot. If you want to visit the site or if you want to go to QuillBot, you can click on the link below. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.